Yeah, I mean, if you don't mind, I would say.
Good morning. It's breakfast time. Feeling well rested this morning. We're packing up here and getting on the road, the trail. I made Russell break the tent down this morning. Yeah, we were going over the route profile last night, right before bed, and Russell delivered some somber news. We've got 55 miles today with 12.9 thousand feet of climbing. That's a lot. It's all above 10,000 feet of elevation, right?
Yep, this is our low point of the day.
We're at the low point of the day. What's the first pass?
Georgia Pass.
Georgia Pass. It's got some hike-a-bike. Is there any other passes?
I don't know if it's a pass, but we go over Miners Creek, which goes up and over to Copper Mountain.
Miners Creek, and then we drop down into Copper.
And then Searle Pass.
And then we climb up Searle Pass. Searle, not Searle. And Russell claims to live in Colorado. Loser. So just a little bit of altitude on tap today. Kind of just doing it like they do at Everest. You know, you move up a little bit and camp, and move up a little bit and camp. Anyway, we're packing up. You boys ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
All right, we're saying goodbye to Ryan this morning. See you, man.
See ya, that was fun. Yeah, good luck, guys.
Ryan's got a bum knee that flared up.
Yeah, have fun.
And so,
Good luck getting home.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Yeah.
disappointedly, he's bailing.
Get some breakfast.
But better now than later down the road. Selflessly, he sacrificed some equipment for us.
Man, so much.
So now I got this gas tank bag. Troy's got a bunch more space on his back. All right, man. We'll see ya.
See ya.
Safe travels home.
Safe travels. All right, see you guys. Have fun.
Adios.
Go get them.
We were here 7 miles ago. We stopped at Deadman Creek just up ahead to fill up our camelbacks. Right when we started, like a dingus, I didn't have my camera bag drawstring tight and it fell out. So we climbed 7 miles before I realized it. Oh man, 2 hikers picked it up. I just met up with them and got it back. This is already gonna be like the hardest day. Or now I have 14 extra miles that those boys don't have, and I feel bad for holding them up. But got my camera, so we can keep harvesting nugs. I'll be climbing for the next 45 minutes or an hour. Oh God. I got it.
Where was it? Did you have to go back to camp?
No, but pretty close. I don't know if you remember that guy. He was on a log like around the road that we crossed. He started hiking back towards Kenosha Pass with it. So I had to go past Deadman Creek, like 1.5 miles.
It's basically back to camp.
This is sick. Even with a bag on. Well, we're 4.5 hours in and only 14 miles. I got 28, but these guys.
Slackers.
I'm gonna be paying for that dingus error. Well, I already have.
Don't worry, we have another 1,000-foot climb right now.
Oh, that's it?
Before our 2,000-foot climb.
Nice stash. We're in Breckenridge.
You never tell you're talking to me or if you're vlogging.
You'll get the hang of it. We just came down that. So we've got like a 2 to 3 hour hike a bike coming up. Wish me luck. Dropping my camera was such a dumbass move. What are you gonna do? We're back at it. Little snack stop. Water. 6 miles to the top. Still 3 to 4 hours. I'll hike a bike. Okay. Russell said, do you want to know where we're going? What? Oh yeah. Snow patches at the top of the mountain. To 12.9? 12.7. What's it matter when it's that high? Climb up there, and then we descend to Copper Mountain. How burnt it is? Just so you know, I'm talking to the vlog. We gotta go up there. This climb sucks. We're on Wheeler Pass. Well, we're going up to Wheeler Pass right now. We did see a bear. And a cub. Everybody thought that was pretty cool. I didn't really like it. We still got like 2 miles of hike a bike left. This is tough. Tough stuff. This is we're at 11,600 feet. 1,000 more to go. Oh my God.
Yeah, Carrie.
Doing it. Whoa.
We're doing it.
So fun.
And that's Copper down there?
That's Breckenridge.
Oh, sweet.
Copper's on the other side of that.
Oh, cool. That's what I was hoping for.
We only have like 600 feet maybe more to climb. And it rolls a bit. Like it's
Got
not,
11.8.
Yeah. It said like 12,495 for the
700 more. It mellows out now.
Oh, great. Now that we're at 12,000 feet.
Yeah, at least it doesn't pitch up.
started at the bottom nowhere here.
Cracked. This is probably the furthest I've been pushed to my limit.
You did add that extra hour for you.
Not like power wise, but just like physical exhaustion, mental fortuity. I can't wait to go down.